Okay, I got careless over here. And this looks kind of promising, just, taking a quick look at a couple of things in my head. At least I think I'm ending up with a positive number here. I had the 305 plus 240, and then I just carelessly wrote down the 305 here, and I should have added the 240, which would have given me 545. So I would have been subtracting 545 over here. I don't know, that's might not do it. Minus 545. Now, another thing I did, just let me digress before I fix the arithmetic there, because that's all straightforward. Another thing I did was, and I should have done originally when I saw everything was wrong, I plugged both of these solutions back into these equations and verified that they were plausible. Okay, so in a check, it's always a good idea to go ahead and check your solution to the set of two simultaneous equations to make sure that you don't go on to do all this with a faulty solution to this system. And that would have saved me a little bit of time and a little bit of trouble, and you a little bit of watching me fumble around. Okay, so anyhow, there we have the result for the two equations, which has not really been checked, but it's quite plausible. Just doing some mental estimates. Okay, now back to here. Remember, I didn't write down the 240. I didn't include the 240. Gives me 545, 297. Minus 545 is 248. So this should be minus 248. That's negative, that's not good. Okay? Now, this again reduces to something over 33, I'm pretty sure. And that something would be like 82. Now again, I've got a big problem because this is between 2 and 3. If I plug it in for A here, I'm going to have a big negative, and this is going to be negative because the 259 over 33 is going to be negative 61 over 33 and all that. So I'm still messed up, which tends to make me believe that maybe, just maybe, in adding my equations here, I made a mistake and that these two equations aren't right. If these solutions work in these equations, then if they don't work in the original system, that means these equations had to be wrong. So I've got to go back and double check that. So we'll look at that in a minute.